Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Following on from my last swatch review video, I purchased 5 Dixie Plates stamping plates from the UK and EU stockist Nail Stamping Queen UK. 4 were new and 1 was an older plate. I will be breaking this down into a few videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dixie Plates stamping plate Mega Mani Mix 04. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. For the first swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. I love that Dixie Plates designs are so big. I know that they fill my nails really well. This design is such a beautiful pattern and would work in many different colour combinations. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. I do feel that this design along with the last image would work really well together within a mani. Again, this is a very pretty pattern and would work all year round. The lines have swatched really clean and crisp, it's gorgeous. For the next swatch I'll be using a red coloured nail tip along with a black stamping polish. I personally love marble designs and I love Dixie Plates marbles. They are amazing. With a marble pattern you can turn the stamper in so many different directions and have a different look for each nail. I've done this before, it would look great with this design. For the next swatch I'll be using a yellow coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. As I've said before, when using line designs I will always scrape in the direction of the lines. You can always get complete lines and you pretty much end up with a swatch like this one where the lines are complete, clean and crisp, and this swatch looks amazing. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. I adore designs like these. They look great in a yellow and red colour combo and you could very easily turn this image into a reverse stamp design. It would look amazing. I'm still to master the reverse stamping, but adding any colour would work really well. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. These small images are everywhere on social media right now, and what people seem to be doing with them is adding glitter into the middle of the design and sort of creating a gemstone look. They look amazing and it's definitely something I want to try again. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches, a mani that I've created from Dixie Plates stamping plate Mega Mani Mix 04. Dixie Plates stamping plate Mega Mani Mix 04 is stunning. I love the Mega Mani range from Dixie Plates, and with 04 there is 18 large style designs along with 7 smaller circular designs at the bottom. Mega Mani Mix is mainly patterns like florals, marbles, lines, swirlies. They are some of my favourite images all on one stamping plate. Now in the description box below you'll find links to my swatch review videos for Mega Mani Mix 01, 02 and 03, and they are definitely worth checking out. They are all gorgeous stamping plates and all 4 of them will work really well together. I will be looking at all 4 plates together to see if I can create a mani using them all. I've done this before with other brands and it looks brilliant, so I definitely need to spend some more time with the Mega Mani range. I love it when a brand grows a range like Dixie Plates has with the Mega Mani range. For me, I just absolutely love it. I will be bringing the other 3 Dixie Plates stamping plates to my channel very soon, so keep an eye out for them. But again, Dixie Plates is another firm favourite brand for me and I love to use them. They are always amazing quality stamping plates with stunning designs and they are very easy to work with. And as I've said before, my stamper and my favourite brand of stamping polish work really well with them and I can get some really nice swatches. There is many designs that I want to use in the future, so there's plenty of manis to create, and when teamed with the other 3 Mega Mani plates, the possibilities are endless. So for the mani, I've used a soft pink gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a metallic fuchsia pink stamping polish. Not a colour combo I've used a lot of. I've used 2 different designs to create this mani, floral and swirls, which looks amazing. With each nail I've turned the stamper around so each design is different on the nails, and it's an effect I really like to do. I really like this mani, it's so pretty, elegant, pretty in pink. But again, it's another mani that will work in a lot of different colour combinations. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Stamping Plate Mega Mani Mix 04. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.